Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to select in Krita. In Krita, selection means isolating a part of your image so you can work on it without affecting anything else. To start, choose a selection tool from the toolbar, whether it be rectangular, elliptical for circle or oval shapes, or freehand selection to draw any shape. Then click and drag on the canvas to create the selection. You'll see marching ants around the chosen area. That indicates the selected region. To add to an already existing selection, hold Shift and then drag a new area. Krita merges the new shape with the existing selection. To subtract from a selection, hold Alt or Option on Mac and drag to remove parts from the current selection. If you prefer color-based selection, use the magic wand or contiguous selection tool and click a color area. Krita selects nearby pixels that are similar in tone. You can adjust the threshold or the fuzziness in the Tool Options docker to include more or fewer similar colors. A quick tip: if the selection outline is hard to see, you can use this feature. Go to Select, then Show Global Selection Mask. This highlights the unselected area so your selection stands out more. And that's how you select in Krita. Thanks for watching.